to watch out for these guys. They've put in a lot of... Okay, here's our back on the thing. They put in a lot of these protectors. Whenever they put a wire to a 2x4, they put a little metal protector over it. There's a wall next to the stairs in the dining room. Header over the dining room there. Here's the construction of that corner. Header across the bay on the dining room. Around the windows here, take a look at what we got. About the description mode, I guess. It's a wall shared with the garage. There's a nice support there. It goes all the way over to the corner with the door. Alright, I'm freezing. We're going in the study now. Let's put one of the more important ones. In the study, this is a wall shared with the living room. So this is a corner where the desk is probably going to go. It's pretty simple. There's pipes, water, hot and cold water supply there, air duct, and then the French doors that go into this living room. Port post, water drain. Here's the wall shared with the great room. Going over to that corner here. This is the construction of a little wall going next to the door wall. Take a look at the header above. There's actually a space between the header and the top of the door wall here because it's a tall room. There's a lot of water supply pipes in here. Big potential for hearing water. It's all right below the master bath. So there's lots of supply pipes in here, and then this is the wall to the outside. Just simply a stud wall. Okay. This is looking at the stairs from the study door. Little 3-step riser there. You can see how they built up that curve. Did we get the front door? I think we did. Maybe we didn't. A lot of support all the way around the door. Big header. Support down the other side. A lot in this area. A big window above there. Yep. Okay. Here's the stairs. 2 per. Wall next to it. The header. See the great room in the background. So we're going to walk up these 3 to the landing. So this is the corner of the landing here. 3 2x4s here, 1 over there. They obviously get smaller as we go up the stairs. So we're going to stairs up to the top. Take a look here. Here is the master bath, master closet, master bedroom. This is front guest room, walk-in closet, back bedroom, another back bedroom, and the hall bath. So let's take a look here. We've got this little quarter round. Comes over to our pantry closet. A lot of support around the pantry. No real header. It's kind of a box section that goes up to the ceiling. And then a nice sturdy section here. Let me see if I can get a better shot of this. There we go. A couple 2x4s on each side. Inside the pantry we've got a particle board top there. I don't plan to do much here. I guess if I start to hang shelves, I know that I've got... This is the wall looking into the great room. Here's the door support. Got a stud there. Got 2 over in the corner here. Got one in the back, but not centered. Well, I've got two in the back, neither one are centered. That's good, actually. A corner, and then no joist between the supports on the right wall. The corner joist. Here's going into the hall bath. Oh, my fingers are freezing. This is looking outside into the wall next to the bedroom. Again, no real header, just kind of a box section above. We walk in. We take a look at the tub. There's the pantry closet right there. There's the over the shower, curved over the shower with the light. Here's a little itty bitty tub. Here's the toilet. Lots of plumbing back here. Plumbing for the shower is just in this wall. And there's the outlet for the shower head. Complicated construction up there. There's a wire, something. Looks like a phone, actually. Here's the header for the window. Exhaust fan. Bring it down on this side here. Take a look at what the plumbing looks like along this wall. There's one sink. And there's the other sink. And the stacks that go to the roof. Okay. So wall switches. 3-ganger right now. Again, no real header. Box section. Look into the back bedroom. Again, no real header there. Got a lot of support here on this wall. Nothing but support around here. Walk into the room. First thing we see is the bedroom. Got the one joist right here. Not quite centered, pretty close. Take a look at the bedroom closet. That's the wall there. There's the one joist. Nice solid corner. Then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All the way across the back. That looks like a vent stack for the laundry room. And here, this grate pipe right here that runs to this closet is access to the attic. Cost me $80. Probably worthwhile. The joist on the outside wall of the closet. And let's get a perspective on this guy here. Two 2x4s together, and then a boxed header above. Good. So wall shared with the bathroom. It's going to be kind of noisy now that I think about it, but it's lovely. Okay. Let's go over the window. Header above the window. Doesn't even go to the ceiling. Fairly tall. Scan across the bottom. A lot of support around the window. This is the wall shared with the outside. There's the closet on the right. Scan across. Alright, let's go walk into the other bedroom, which is full of drywall. There's a switch on the wall. Walk into this bedroom. There's the added window over there. Headers on top of both. Joists across the ceiling. So you get to the light and then they turn the other direction. It's kind of interesting. There's the wall shared with the other bedroom. Here's the closet. Looks like almost identical construction. It's the right wall. One across the back. Yep. Again, boxed header across the top. And then here's the wall going all the way to the windows. I'm starting to fly now because I'm running out of tape and battery. Here's that corner. Going to the last bedroom, most likely the guest bedroom. again boxed over the door. Now, there is the closet. Now, in this room, all the ceiling joists run the same direction, front to the back of the house. This right here is the entry to the attic over the garage. It's a walk-in closet. Let's walk in, take a look. It's a back wall, that many joists, side wall, corner, and then back to the door itself. Now let's go along the top here. Yep, corner, this is the back wall. Then we get to the wall. A lot of wood over in this area here. This is the wall shared with the garage, and then back to the door. Thank you. In the bedroom itself, again, boxed over. Run low on battery. Shoot across. Cold air returned. Little half wall there. Another half wall there. Here's the, didn't put a bay on this one, but you can see the header construction over the windows. And the supports below, a lot of wood there. Might help. And then this back wall, triple 2x4 there. It comes along until we get to the door, and there's that. So we've got quite a bit going on over in this wall. It's gonna bother me. Take a look at the stairs here. These walk up to the master bedroom. Here's the to the right of the door. Again, a boxed header. Left of the door. Get a better look at the construction of the foyer light hanging. The window construction, very nice. Walk into the master bedroom. Let's take a look at this tray ceiling. Pretty complicated construction, actually. There's the box. Here's the header over the bay. Dry along the way, but you can see the bottom of the windows there. How that's constructed. Take a look up above. There actually are no support 2x4s at the top of this bay. It's pretty tiny, to be honest. It's not all that big. See down there at the bottom? Right down there? Those are plates making sure that you don't drill in, so we're going to have to watch that. 2x4s in the corner, and then we go all the way across. That corner right there is a closet, a little pantry closet. This is the wall shared with the closet. Then the front door. Here's our slider, our first slider right here. You can see the frame for it. It's the one separating the bedroom from the closet. We'll go in here and take a look at the second slider. Here's a frame. This is the one going from the closets into the bath. Then this is the pantry itself. Two 2x4s on the left of the door. Boxed header. A couple 2x4s on the right. Along the back wall we've got looks like 2 joists. Nothing on the left or right. So that might be a problem in the future. It's not too bad. There's a corner. There's a corner there. Look at the master closet. 2x4s again on the left and the right with the boxed header. Along the back wall. Not bad. Along the bedroom wall. The wall right next to the door. The other wall right next to the door. And here's the wall shared with the bathroom. The box there for right behind the toilet. That's nice. And then right above is there's a corner with the door. Here's access to the attic. And then so it seems to be right in the middle of the room here. The light is right next to it. Last room, master bath. Probably the most complicated and expensive in the house. Here's the sink near the slider. See the vent stack. Header above the windows. Box section below the windows. There's the tub itself. Let's look at how the tub's framed out. Let's take a look at the plumbing itself. This is right along the front wall there. I don't know what any of this stuff is for, so who knows? Looks like they got the pipes crisscrossed, but they got them straight now. So we'll see. There's the pump. The pump and an outlet for it is over here next to the shower area. So here's the other sink. And the wall shared with the shower. See hot cold water and shower head there. Let's take a look at the shower, around the shower itself. Oh, tripped up the toilet. There's construction right up there. See the overhead light. A lot of wood there for whatever. This is the wall shared with the great room. Not sure how that's going to work out. This is the wall shared with the master closet. See the studs there. Now let's take a look at the ceiling. Here's the two cans over the tub. Take a look at the construction of the wall. This is right over the entryway to the bathroom. And it goes up and over. I don't know if it's going to make any sense at all. Here's the skylight. Exhaust fan up there. Yeah, let's take a look at how the skylight's framed in. Looks like a box section there. Yep. Okay, I think that ends it. I hope this is helpful. This is a look from the master bedroom door, looking down into the great room.